Hello everybody, this is Kostas and I'm gonna show you right away how you can easily generate traffic to any link and any offer. This is gonna be, you can break the traffic to many sources. Okay, you can drive traffic from traffic ad bar, you can use LeadsLeap, you can use so many uh, traffic sites that they produce traffic organically. In fact, those traffic is a traffic hub. Okay, people that they're interested in watching offers and produce and at the same time promote their own offers. To this video, I'm gonna show you. Sorry, I'm gonna show you how easily. Okay, I'm gonna show you how easily you can create uh, produce traffic to your offer just by using two tools. Okay, you can leverage AI, or you can create videos or anything you want. It's gonna work in a great way. But this is just a small trick. I just wanted to show because many people working on affiliate marketing or trying to promote their business, they just miss that easy step. Okay. When you add a link over here, you can add 5 links for free with traffic ad bar. You can even add more links if you subscribe for a package. Let's see. Okay, and I'm gonna show you that when you add an opportunity, and you're gonna see this time I'm gonna promote this link. Let me show you here. I'm gonna paste this link here. Um, okay, that's not a link. That was just a search here. Okay, here you're gonna see that I have this very nice form over here that anyone that is interested about one of those offers, he can subscribe, or she can subscribe and get some nice uh, resources. Okay, I'm gonna just copy this link, and to another video I'm gonna show you how you can easily create this kind of offer. Okay, and I'm gonna use it over here to traffic ad bar. Using traffic ad bar, it's gonna give you a link that you can easily, you can grab this link and you can promote this link to any other site. If I paste this link over here, you're gonna see that now I have the same offer, but I have the traffic ad bar to the bottom. So on that way, I generate traffic. That means that every time somebody visits this link, is gonna see this bar at the bottom. That means that it's gonna give me. You see that I earned 3 points from using this link. So somebody is gonna watch this advertisement, and I'm gonna get even 3 points to promote my link, the same link, into traffic ad bar. Okay, so if I grab this link from here, let me show you. I'm gonna now show you how to double the traffic and move to LeadsLeap. Okay, I'm here to LeadsLeap. You can easily, let me show you here. You can go. LeadsLeap is a free traffic source for anyone. You don't have to turn you to the pro membership. You can use it for free forever. Okay, so your links are gonna be active no matter what. Over here, you just add a new tracking link, and let me show you, because over here I have already added this traffic link. You see, it's this one. So when you add this traffic link and works with my lead gen secret, it's supposed to work with my lead gen secret. If you have changed this link over here, you see I changed this link and I have this one. It's good to change the link over here too, because if somebody is gonna click here, you're gonna see that I have produced another link here. Let me show you. Here, I paste the link from traffic ad bar, the one that I showed you here. Okay. If I use it over here to LeadsLeap, I can create a new affiliate link. So this link is gonna be tracked by LeadsLeap. What's the benefit and why do you have to do that and why all this fuss? Okay, if you click here, you're gonna see that you can easily check statistics about your link. You can easily check how many people visited your link. You can easily check here from where they visited this link. You see. And you can see even the countries and from where there was an action and if you had a conversion. Okay, you see it's really amazing and it's really very helpful. Okay, and if I change this link now, people, you see, I'm not gonna change this link over here because I already have it. Okay, because it's the one that I use for traffic ad bar. I can change the slug. I can, but this one is just for the pro users. But even if you're not gonna change the slug, LeadsLeap is gonna produce just a slug for you. You can change the name of the offer and the link here, and you can add a tag too. Okay, so let me show you here. You can create even a teaser while somebody is before somebody goes to your link. You can even add an ad bar. You see, I have the ad bar here. I can select, let's say, an offer to show, and you can even say that you want to use pop-up on exit. Okay, so you can even monetize this link. Yes, so add after 10 seconds, you see. You can make it footer tab position, left or right. You can make it responsive mode for responsive mobile design. I want to have it responsive for sure. And you can change the fixed height for iOS compatibility if you want to make it. And every time you go here, you're going to see that there is always a tip and it explains what every option does. Okay. So if I click now, let me save this link and I'm going to show you what I finally did. I have it from my lead gen secret, but it's okay. If I click here, you're going to see that I have the ad bar at the top. I have the traffic ad bar at the bottom, and I have the advertisements from LeadsLeap that is gonna give me the opportunity to earn more credits for traffic. Okay, and I have my main offer. That's the trick. Okay, so if you enjoy this this method, you're gonna just grab this link from here and use it for to promote. On that way, you're gonna get all these benefits from traffic ad bar, from anywhere that you want, and you're gonna earn more credits for all these traffic sources. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And you see here, I can, even if somebody tries to go and close, because I added the pop-up, is going to see another cross-promoting offer. And it's really interesting, trust me. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, just click the like button and subscribe to my channel. You're gonna see a lot of interesting traffic, video creation, and many interesting stuff about AI tools and how you can leverage them. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you to the next video. Bye bye.